If you want to turn on the Notion integration in WebWork, you can do that by going down to Integrations, then go ahead and find Notion and click Enable. Then from here you need to give WebWork access to Notion. So you have to go ahead and click Select Pages. So I'll go ahead and choose Team Spaces, then My Workspace. Then go ahead and click Allow Access. And as you can see, the integration has been successfully enabled. Firstly, here we have the Members page. So from here you can import members from Notion into WebWork. So for example, I'll select this member and click Import. And as you can see, this member has been successfully imported. After that, we have projects. So you'll be able to see all the projects that you have in Notion. So for example, I have this project, and I can choose to import this project with or without tasks. And I can also see the status of the project. And on the right here, I can choose what statuses to import. So for example, not started, in progress, and done. I'll go ahead and import this project with tasks. So I chose this project, and I'll go ahead and press import. And as you can see, the project is currently being imported into WebWork. After that, we have auto-sync. So here you can choose to auto-sync members, projects, and tasks. Firstly, we have no sync. What that means is whenever you add members, projects, or tasks in Notion, they will not be automatically added into WebWork. Then we have auto-sync. Whenever you add project, tasks, or members into Notion, they'll be automatically imported into WebWork as well. And last, we have auto-sync and auto-remove. So whenever you delete, edit, or change something in Notion, it will also be updated in WebWork as well. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Save. If we go back to projects, we can see that this project has been successfully imported. We can see the name of the project, and if we go down to projects, then projects, we can see that this project has been successfully imported. And if we go to the tasks, we can see that the tasks have also been added into WebWork.